leader of opposition will make some rules as a point to speak. I quoted 2 rules. He has not quoted any rules. He stood up. Sir, you gave him time and the leader of opposition spoke. As a person, he is a senior member. He is also a leader of opposition.
No,
But he has not quoted any rules.
let me ask him. You please wait. You please wait.
I reiterate again, Rule 240. I had already quoted that time also. That while you had given him chance to speak every day, he kept on raising the same matter which he raised for 7 days. That is why the rule was specifically mentioned that a member cannot refer to the same matter which he has already spoken with the permission of the chair.
Okay,
Whether he is the opposition member or ruling party, you cannot give direction to the chair. You can only make requests. You can demand. It is your right. But you cannot dictate the house and you cannot pass any direction to the chair. On the matter with regarding to the new member, I want to facilitate the new member. Pawan Khera is a new member. As a parliamentary affairs minister, I want to facilitate him. But the problem is, he has not made his maiden speech yet. There was enough ample chance for a member to speak. There are so many other members who have been elected newly, they got chance. The Congress party, they kept shouting their new members are not learning anything because their leadership is not giving them chance. He is unable to speak. I only made suggestion that he is neither on his seat nor on any rule, coming in the floor right in front of the chair and kept shouting slogans. That is why, that is against the rule. I request once again, let the new member be given the chance to speak. The Congress party should give the young members or the new members chance. My point is as per rule, but I'm sorry, the leader of the opposition did not quote any rule, did not mention any rule. He simply dictated the chair. But I request Kharge-ji, I request once again, let the house function.
Now I request you to consider his request that he requested the Home Minister to come to the house. You represented to it. It is his will. But you, as a parliamentary affairs minister, you can echo the sentiments of the opposition to the HM.
I have accepted whatever they have.
Now I'm coming back to you. Now Tiwari ji,
Sir,
first.
I think this is a question hour. This is question hour. And they have enough disrupted the question hour. LOP has made a point, but we have a collective responsibility. He cannot dictate which minister to come on which date.
No.
We have a system.
He is not dictating. No. He is not dictating. He has put his request. No, let me complete. No, I observe you. No, he has not dictating the terms. He put the sentiments of them. It is as the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, you have to reflect the sentiments to the HM. That is my request. Now, please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Question number 197, Shriman Satnam Singh Sandhu.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद चेयरमैन साहब। मैं सबसे पहले